Hey guys, tonight we're tucking you into a scratchy wool blanket that smells faintly of seaweed and sheep because you've just volunteered. Yes, you, to spend a year in Dark Age Britain, a place whose Yelp page would simply read, "No Wi-Fi, lots of mud, wolves occasionally join the chat." You probably wouldn't survive this without the narrator's calm voice and a reckless sense of curiosity. So before you get comfortable, take a moment to like the video and subscribe, but only if you genuinely enjoy what I do here. The first thing you notice, once the fans pretend sea breeze has settled, is the cold. Not the polite, modern cold that lives in the corner of an over-air-conditioned cafe, but the ancient, damp cold that clings like a toddler with a grudge. You're standing on the deck of a squat, tar-sealed boat somewhere in the English Channel,